I had some mini baby eggplants left over from a recipe, and I'm trying to be better about using up the ingredients instead of going out to get new ingredients for these cooking videos because groceries are freaking expensive. Well, I made some talong, and it's with the baby ones. Have you ever seen them made with the little baby ones before? I don't think I ever have, but we did it, all right? We got 3 of them to make up for it. Tomatoes, onion, fish sauce, rice. Such a good breakfast. Oh, this is so good. Get all those juices from that tomato and fish sauce and onion. I'll do this one with banana ketchup. Eggplant has so much flavor, that roasted, toasty flavor that you get from charring it.